In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the ad blocker in the Opera browser in just a few simple steps. If you're tired of pop-ups, banners, and distracting ads while browsing, this is one of the easiest settings you can enable right inside Opera. And the best part is, you don't need any extra software or extensions to get started. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is open, look at the top right corner of the window. You should see the Easy Setup icon there, which looks like 3 horizontal sliders. This is where Opera keeps a lot of its quick settings, so click that icon to open the menu. After the Easy Setup panel appears, scroll down until you reach the Privacy section. Opera groups its privacy and security options here, so this is the area where you'll find the ad blocking feature. Now look for the switch labeled Block Ads. This is the built-in Opera ad blocker, and it is designed to help remove many ads automatically while you browse. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch next to Block Ads to the On position. Once the switch is enabled, Opera will begin blocking ads for you right away. In most cases, you do not need to restart the browser, and the settings should take effect immediately. If you want, you can test it by visiting a website that normally shows a lot of ads and see how much cleaner the page looks. This built-in feature is very useful because it can make pages load faster, reduce clutter, and give you a smoother browsing experience overall. It's also a nice way to improve focus if you're researching, watching tutorials, or just trying to browse without distractions. If you ever want to turn the ad blocker off again, just follow the same steps. Go back to Easy Setup, return to the Privacy section, and switch Block Ads back off. That's all there is to it. You've now turned on the ad blocker in Opera browser successfully. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful browser tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.